Near the shores of the French Broad River in East Tennessee is not only a home, not only an estate, but an experience. Welcome to 2840 River Island Boulevard in Kodak, Tennessee. Everything about this estate makes a powerful statement about your life, your achievements, your success. Over 8,200 square feet of luxury on 3 levels. You'll entertain under a 2-story ceiling in the great room. Enjoy a quiet evening on the back deck, looking out over 1.5 acres, bordered by a 6-foot steel fence for privacy and security. Meals from the chef's kitchen will always be special. 2 Dacor ovens, 2 Whirlpool dishwashers, an induction range, all set within counters of granite. Entertaining in the formal dining room will be the epitome of opulence. Four bedrooms accommodate every family member in style, in spaciousness, in privacy, all fully customizable. Nothing will match the opulence of the master suite beneath a tray ceiling. And experience the master bath, offering every amenity. Take the grand staircase to your personal library with a bookcase that is a hidden door to the adjacent game room. Downstairs, your personal wine cellar and tasting room. And this expansive lower level, it can be customized in any way you wish. This is 2840 River Island Boulevard in Kodak, Tennessee. The reward for all you have achieved. Call Kelly White of the real estate firm Direct at 865-804-9791.